In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Outlook, a skill that can streamline your email management and increase productivity. Let's dive into the process of setting up rules efficiently and effectively so you can start organizing your emails like a pro. First, open up Microsoft Outlook by navigating to the home page. If you're using a web browser, simply type Outlook into your search bar and click the official Microsoft link. Once you're there, you'll want to find the sign in option, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your email and password to sign in. If you're using a shared computer, ensure that you don't select the option to stay signed in, as this protects your personal information. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to your Outlook inbox, where all your emails are displayed. Next, let's look towards the top right corner again and locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Clicking on this will open up a sidebar with various configurable options. Within this menu, scroll and locate the Rules option. Clicking here takes you to a page where you can manage existing rules or create new ones. We are focusing on creating a new rule today, so you'll want to click the button labeled Add New Rule. This is where you get to define the behavior of the rule you want to set up based on certain conditions and actions. Start by giving your rule a name that clearly identifies what it does, like move important emails or mark as read. After naming your rule, it's time to specify a condition. A condition triggers the rule when a particular situation arises. For example, let's select the condition where your email address is in the to line. This means whenever someone sends an email directly to you, and you're specifically named in that field, the rule will be activated. Once the condition is set, we need to decide on the action. An action dictates what Outlook does when the condition is met. Let's choose mark as read for our action. This means any email arriving in your inbox with you on the to line will automatically be marked as read, helping you to separate emails that don't require immediate attention. Before saving the rule, ensure to check the box that reads Run Rule Now. This enables the rule to process emails that already exist in your inbox under the specified conditions, bringing immediate organization to your current messages. Finally, click on the Save button to ensure all the settings are correctly stored, making your new rule active. There you have it. You've successfully created a rule in Outlook to automate and simplify your email management. Enjoy the resulting peace of mind as Outlook efficiently organizes your incoming emails according to your preset preferences.